so clean. Gorgeous day. Another really hot summer day. But this is summer, so I ain't complaining. Welcome back to the video. Today, we start off with a little bit of gardening. Actually, being the corner house, I really should take more care of my lawn. And then the other day while I was walking Gohan, I came to a realization. You know how you know you guys are getting older? You start paying attention to other people's lawns. Like, how do they maintain theirs? Why is theirs so much more lush than mine? And actually, being the corner house, we get sun like 3/4 of the day. This whole week is a heat wave. My FRS actually doesn't even have AC, so this reminds me of the Cali days. Hottest goddamn day of the year. Everything in my car is hot to the touch. My AC is not working, and all of the electronics in my car have overheated. They can't turn on. I'm done. This is hell on earth.
With no AC? Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at her little makeshift duct system.
Bro.
Where my FRS actually ran no AC that entire trip. Terrible business. Whew. I can feel it. Oh, Gohan's screaming. This way, please. I'll have the windows down and drive really fast, I promise. He knows it's burning in there. Up. Good boy. Alright, and before I forget, I gotta turn off the water. I've had that sprinkler running all morning, just in case. Okay. This is hot, Gohan. Windows down. I wish there was AC in here, homie. Like I said, I'll just drive really fast. Okay, see you guys at the garage. All right, so we're at the shop and it's a hot one. I'm gonna quickly throw on the dub wheels back on the XB, or summer wheels. I have some ABS material that I have to pick up from the plastic store. And the only car really that I can fit that kind of material into is the XB. And Kenji's parking right behind me, no. Yo, Kenj, I'm about to move this, and guaranteed it has no battery power, so. Well, actually, never say never. What did we learn from Justin Bieber? Just been a minute since we've actually driven this thing, so let's see. Yeah, no power whatsoever. One of the front wheels is completely flat. This. I know for a fact this has a hole in it. I mean, they're nice Koenig wheels, 4x100. They can actually fit on the Lotus, believe it or not. And they would probably look good on it too, but we got Midnight Club dub wheels for this thing. So yeah, let's throw them on. If you guys didn't know, Kenji actually got a new ride too. I remember being first introduced to them last time we went to Japan, and we got an Uber. Actually, most Ubers are Toyota Alphords. This is the older generation, but it's still so Yakuza VIP style though. I love it. That thing's so sick. Alright, here's our dub wheels. Last season, I actually ended up getting really cheap summer tires for them, so these are fresh. Yo, the AC in this thing is so nice. Oh, it's such a luxury that I wish I had in the FRS. So I guess I can give you guys a small before. Now you guys can kind of get an idea how close the colors are on these things. Same exact color scheme. So top half is gloss black and then the bottom half is Kelly green. And that was always the idea. Love it when you only need to jack up one corner and both sides go up. But guys, this is the incorrect way of doing this, okay? Summer wheels back on. And give me a pass, guys. I actually grew up on Midnight Club Dub Edition specifically. These remind me of the wheels that I had on this really done up Escalade in the game. Actually, those wheels deserve to be on this car. This looks sick. Can use a little cleaning. Oh my God, that was close. I didn't even notice. All right, off to industrial plastics. I want to beat the rush hour. All right, next we're gonna work on our custom fender liners. And I mean, before I start any of these kinds of projects, I like to work with a prototype. So we're gonna quickly mock up the shape of our fender liner using leftover scraps. I have foam core upstairs readily available, so we'll be using that. But yeah, we'll just quickly mock up the shape and then we'll go from there. Everything correctly, this should fit properly on the other side as well. So let's check it out. Just gotta invert it. Dude, that's pretty good. Tuck that in. Look at that. So this is the shape. As you can see, it's not straight, because it actually follows this curvature. And then if you look on the side, there's actually a little dip right here because I custom bondoed this area so that the fitment is pristine. So now we just gotta cut this out into ABS plastic. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Alright, so we've cut out our fender liners using the ABS plastic, and I've actually drilled in the holes too where we're going to be drilling it into place. I've also taken the liberty of sanding down the sides, make it a little more smooth. Looking at it now, the ABS plastic being this thin, it's flimsy, so it might actually just fit into place perfectly. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. This is what it looks like now. Sweet. Of course, we just got to drill these in, but should be okay. And then look at the other side. Same deal. Doesn't look so ratchet anymore. So clean. This is gross. This was just from last night. That's all flies. It's gross.
Yeah, we brought it. Took it out of my shop today.
On this side too. So we finished wrapping all of the side trim. And just to match up the rest of the theme, I decided to spray paint all of the bolts black. And of course, the fun part. The super complex spoiler. Actually, this one wasn't too bad. Plus, this wrap is really easy to work with. So, we did end up going with the gloss black, like all of you guys agreed with. And it looks really good. Alright. Spoiler's all gloss black. Let's throw this back on the E36. For those of you wondering, this is the spoiler that came with the PTG kit. It may look like the M3 style spoiler, but this one is a lot bigger than that one. And also it has an adjustable gurney, which is one of my favorite features. This is sick. Look underneath here, we ended up blunting out the screws for our side vents for the front fenders. So these guys. So don't worry, our tires are safe.
Are those cold?
Yeah, I made sure. Please, I hope so. I hope so.
For like $12.
Guys, I know it will help with this heat.
Oh, that's
Beers, ice cold beers. Ooh, I stayed in that cooler for like 15 minutes, pretending I didn't know what to choose. I brought this Red Bull fridge from the other shop, and it's giving off hot air. Actually, that's not bad. When it has more content in it, like they each get cool and then they cool each other. It's like an ice cube effect. Let's call it that. Okay, Asahi. And then, yo, check out this contraption these guys made over here. I don't want to go in front of it because it's going to get the lens all wet, but they hooked up a sprinkler to the fan. So if you just walk under this, it's like a nice cool mist. This is what's making it really humid in here. Asahi. Woo! Almost there, guys. Last piece to wrap, and it being this hot, it'll make it so much easier, is the front bumper. So just gonna really thoroughly clean it up, take off the grill area, and gets wrapping. It's gonna be green, but like I said, we're gonna also continue that black trim all around the front. So this part right here is gonna be black as well.
Well, happy Hanukkah.
Where's my mine? I just want to get it away.
Appreciate it. It's the thought that counts. It's Paul Walker. For the boys.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that there. You raise the fronts up like 3/4 an inch. So kind of looks like that. But it's because I want to run the front bumper, and with it, it's just way too low.
Really want to rock the front grills, but as you can see, they don't actually fit. So we're gonna have to make minor adjustments. Also ended up spray painting them black.
Alright, last piece, guys. The elusive front bumper. So I quickly did the top half just because it would be way too hard to do it all in one piece. And I'm just gonna quickly do a few more inlays, and then we're just gonna tackle it, this bottom half. Kinda envisioned it in my head going super smoothly, so I'll just go for it. Finally, 2 hours later, she's complete. I'm just gonna quickly clean her up and then let's throw her on finally, and then just finish this video because it's been a long, long day. And I think it started raining outside, so perfect drifting weather. That's it. Let's go. Yeah. Oh!
This color's never been one color.
Guys, she's complete for now. But oh, it looks so good. Okay, so the rain stops. We'll bring her outside and take some beauty shots. And then do a little tiny shakedown. Okay guys, I lied. One more piece, except I ran out of 3M, so we're using duct tape. Just for beauty shots. Oh dude, it's not even sticking. Ah!
You need more, you need like a long.
Trade secret. Good enough.
That's only talk you hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Solar.
This front got me feeling some type of way, man.
Me too. Looks good. Kind of reminds me of mustache though.
Hello, my name is Pierre.
Test time.
me in a circle. A little tough, but
Oh, that's fun. Fuck, okay.
That was sick.
Let's heat him. Let's get out of here. She's ready, guys. And nothing fell off.
not even the emblem, yo. Duct tape for the win, bro.
You stayed on too. Duct tape life because I broke the clips that attach this on. I'm impressed. It looks good.
The Fender liners are with home team, bro.
Yeah. Sweet. Thanks, Sonny.
Of course.
Good job. Okay. Guys, everybody, follow Sonny and his YouTube channel. Let's help this kid grow to 1,000 subscribers, okay?
Yes.
Let's see if you guys can help me do that.
I need that wooden play symbol, man.
Guys, she's cool. Look at this too. This was my shift stick. But yeah, but what the hell?
Hey, do you hear that? The blow off valve is like.
One more?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my god, what is this? Guys, what have we done?
Is this a car?
She's beautiful, guys.
She is beautiful.
Alright, I think I'm just gonna end this video. For this kit, don't make fun of me because the rear tire wheel fitment is just ridiculously hard to get right. So we'll figure this out in the future. But I mean, for now, I mean, look at her. So beautiful. Yeah, no, this makes me so stoked. I have a feeling this is definitely gonna be staying in the Kmart artillery until we have our fun with it, you know? Who knows? We've put in so much work that I've built up enough sentimental value to say that she's definitely a keeper, so.
You done a lot of firsts with her.
I think to this point, and I've said in the past, this particular E36 build has been one of the builds that I've dedicated most of my own personal hand effort to from the very beginning, building it from ground up, from stock to what it is now. I'd say it did pretty okay. I'm gonna end this video, guys, so appreciate you for watching, for following me on this journey of the build. And lots more to come from this channel. Little selfless self-promotion. Make sure if you want to call up some KMR gear, head to the Kings Masaraz website. And other than that, have fun, because most of the restrictions that have kept you guys stuck at home are finally lifted. So make the most of your summer. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Ciao.
It's 11:31. Now the party's done.